The future of construction is here, powered by intelligent systems that elevate precision and keep projects moving forward. The SmartGrade G128 is patented with a quad rod 3 linkage and 3D compatibility, offering 3mm accuracy. This eliminates guesswork and reduces rework. The PD84 utilizes a rotary laser and dual laser receivers to determine elevation and slope. Its stable frame and smooth operation minimizes the bounce effect. The SG96A combines power, fuel efficiency, and intuitive control through the PCLS hydraulic system. The Topcon Hyper XR delivers centimeter-level precision using RTK positioning. It works as both a base station and a rover, making it a flexible tool for layout and site prep. The Topcon R-LH5A single-slope laser offers up to 2,600 feet of operating range. Its durability and long-distance capabilities make it ideal for consistent slope and grade control. From ground-leveling precision to job site control, these technologies are reshaping what's possible in modern construction.